That's right, it's dune season, baby. We are on the way to our local dunes, you can call them, only about an hour and a half away from us. We got the Raptor, we got the KX, we got a paddle on that bad boy. We are gonna go have some fun. You'll see a little Raptor action in this video, but this is the first shakedown at the dunes in the Raptor. And since I was a kid, I've been wanting to have a Raptor so I can take it to the dunes and just hoon around at high speed. But this is also the first time at the dunes with the KX as well. Didn't get a chance to take it to the dunes when I got it. Broke my wrist. And I have a feeling after this dune trip today, I'm gonna want some dune toys. But now let's go ahead, get the drive done through the woods and get to the beach. What a nice day for the beach. I think it's supposed to top out at around 90 today. So we're looking good. So right up inside there is the back-to-back hill climb trail. As you can see, pretty mountainous area. So you can get a sense as to why the trail's so gnarly. And look who we caught up to. Two-stroke about to get whooped on the dunes. Here we are pulling up. Hopefully there's a place to park. Jeez, it is way busy out here. Holy smokes. Oh man, it is super busy out here. It's gonna be a fun day for sure. Let's get aired down so we can park in the sand because there's nowhere else to park. All right, here we go. Let's not get stuck. You're good? Am I good?
Yep, is this good? Level?
All right, here we go. First time at the dunes with the KX. Yep, I'm gonna be that guy going shirtless. Got my fanny pack. It's time to rip. You know it's business if you got a fanny pack. Rip the ball.
Done. Woo! Yeah, wait, am I overheating?
What's up? You all right?
It died. Yeah.
Try and kick it. Huh? Are you sure?
Possible.
Why? Is it locked?
Compression.
No compression.
I mean,
You're kidding.
she's gone.
You're like kidding.
No,
Are you sure you didn't foul a plug or something?
not in wide open.
You gotta be kidding me.
Not in gear.
It's not.
Gone.
I mean, I kind of wanted to start.
Oh, it's leaner than shit. You melted a piston.
Yeah.
Go. It's blown up right now. I can tell you just by looking at that.
Oh, nice.
Okay, come here, look at this.
Well, yeah, the green or greenish.
Well, so this is red, and you see the shrapnel from the piston, right?
Yep.
Okay. So this is from you trying to start it, all the wet gas.
Yep.
So you should have went up. Probably. You see how you can see the white of the plug down in the middle?
Right.
You want that darker than your skin. You
Right.
want black. I would rather spend $7-8 on a plug than $300 for a top end, right?
Yep.
So you need to jet the main jet up a ways.
Oh, it looks like it's hooning the Raptor today.
Yeah.
Which sucks because the KX is freaking awesome. You want to try it? Well, when I get the truck back.
Yeah. Let's get the CR away first.
Should have bought a Cowie. Looks like it's turned into hooning the Raptor today. All right, here we go. Raptor to the rescue. Let's go hoon. Heck yeah, this is awesome! Woohoo! Oh yeah, buddy!
Heating seatbelts? Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we've been ripping the Raptor around since the last clip. Vector's been riding the KX. Now it's my turn, he's gonna drive the Raptor, and we're gonna finish this KX video. And I tell you what, the Raptor was super fun. And, well, we kinda picked 4 wheels off the ground. But you guys are gonna have to wait and see that. Oh yeah, I know he's gonna have some fun in that thing. You know what? This bike is just made for the dunes. Here come the ones. Oh man. You gotta love that. Holy smokes.
Get that at 60?
I hit those at 40. Those ones over there you can hit at 60. It's weird, but the faster you go, the smoother it is. But no, it's understandable. I mean, I'm just saying, like, but those ones you can hit them at 40. Like, trust me, you can hit them at 40. There you go, hit them, hit them, hit them. Heck yeah. Oh, buddy. Wheelie over the whoops. How was it? Yeah, I told you. Like, these ones are a little bit more gnarly.
Yeah.
If you're gonna hit them, you have to hit them at like 40. But if not, just
Roll through them.
yeah, it'll feel like that, but. This thing rips. After today on the dunes, I definitely need some more Dune toys. Next stop, we're gonna go mess around in the bowl. Oh, I love it. This thing rips. Well, I mean, I don't have to replace it, but it just be nice. Out of gas. Watch this. It blew up or something.
Oh no. What is he doing?
Oh, just kidding. I'm out of gas. Well, while I'm sitting here, if it did blow up, I have warranty on this thing, so I'm not too worried about that.
Where's your shirt?
My shirt?
Yeah.
I don't need one. I wore a tank top one day and got them lines.
You got that sunburn?
Yep.
Yeah, like fuck.
I got to get rid of it.
Everything. That's what it is.
Yep. I mean, plus if the ladies are out here,
Yeah, you the fuck, might as well, you know?
Right?
Yeah, you gotta shoot your shot somehow.
Right?
You got that side by side. You got the quad. No. You got the side by side, quad, and then you got the moto, right?
And then you got the dirt bikes. I mean, the Banshee's pretty sick though. I want one.
I had a 125.
Yeah?
But
Out here, it's not enough.
it's not, yeah, out here it's not enough.
Yeah.
I gotta get at least a 250.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, man, I'll see you later.
See ya. Have fun on that thing. Be safe. I smacked that skid plate. Oh my gosh. I need a pre-runner bumper. Alright, gonna go mess around by the beach here a little bit and call it a day. Sucks that my friend's bike blew up in 5 minutes. That just seems to be our luck here. Hit him. Hit him. Heck yeah. Guys, well, I think that is going to wrap it up for the dunes on the KX450X. That is going to do it. I tell you what, I had an absolute blast out here. As I always say, if you're into motorsports, you're in the right place. With all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. Mark there, mark there, mark there. Rings are pressed in there or melted to it.
It's so easy.
Is it?
Dude, feel it. See how easy that is.
Transmission.
Hold it.
The surfaces of
Oh yeah,
the
that's
case ready to go.
And it's going in.
And install the left half of this case.
Oh, that's real nice.
This guy might have to go
Let's
first.
line them up first, and then no turning back.
Oh, there is. We got the remover right there.
Nope. Once she's on, she's on.
This one's a little bit harder to turn.
Isn't that satisfying to watch?
Well, let's see if the gaskets are all lined.
You're looking.
Oh, we'll know if there's a leak.
Oh yeah. When you start it up, you'll know. Like.
Now the dowel.